Hi, my name is Isabella. I would like to show you my experiment. And my teacher wants me to do an experiment, so I can't freeze this water. Oh, and I have to do something different. And we got a diaper and see some of this cotton like that, and these crystals came on it. And we're going to pour it in here. And I'm really confident that it's going to work.
Go ahead.
So, I'm going to do it. Now, let's swirl it around. And I'm really confident. There it goes. Turning to water, which I didn't think it would do. And abracadabra. My water is not frozen. It's diaper-fied. It has diaper crystals. And I'm going to put more in. Okay, and let's see if it won't pour. Yay! And it doesn't pour. It's really mushy.